Hello, my name is Ashley Harris, and I chose to do an article on the leadership styles of Elon Musk, Tesla founder and CEO of SpaceX, written by Mohammed El Noor on April 7th, 2021. Tesla and SpaceX are two of the most innovative companies in the world. The successes of these two companies is largely due to the leadership styles of Elon Musk, the founder and CEO of both organizations. Musk's leadership styles directly affect the culture, efficiency, productivity, and innovation at the company. According to our text, leaders play a key role in changing, developing, and sustaining an organization's culture. The culture at Tesla is one of empowerment, communication, learning, and motivation. Culture is what creates the foundation for all future innovation. This is a concept that Musk understands well. Elon Musk gives his employees at Tesla the creative freedom and empowers them to think outside the box. No idea is too extreme for Musk, and he believes in trying everything at least once. Musk is a transformational leader that believes that by creating a learning environment for his employees, he is able to gain a competitive edge through technological excellence. According to our text, it is extremely important for leaders to create learning environments for employees, as it is essential for long term viability. Learning organizations are better at adapting to change, fostering creativity, and succeeding in highly competitive markets. There are five key elements to a learning organization, which include inspiring and motivating people with a mission or purpose, empowering employees at all levels, accumulating and sharing internal knowledge, gathering and integrating external information, and challenging the status quo and enabling creativity. Elon Musk truly achieves all five aspects of a learning organization and has created an environment in which employees are able to use their intelligence and imaginations to create a unique product. A learning environment involves organization wide commitment to change, an action orientation, and applicable tools and methods. One reason that Musk has been so successful is that he involves his employees at all levels and makes them feel as if they are using their collective imaginations to solve not only the problems at the company, but also the problems of the world. He solidifies through his actions that they are all working towards a common goal or mission. To inspire his employees, Musk leads by example and has put his heart into his companies. His drive is incomparable to most leaders as he is commonly found in the trenches with his employees every day. He challenges his employees deeply on a daily on a deeply intellectual level and always enjoys being challenged by them as well. To continuously improve his organization, Musk measures the correlation between his workers' productivity and their satisfaction levels. When his workers are satisfied, they are more productive and motivated to accomplish their goals, which results in the company's increased success. Motivation is extremely important to Musk as he believes that by motivating employees, he can provide them with value and increases their loyalty towards the company. The company has faced inevitable setbacks over the years, but as the leader, Musk has set the precedent that there is a sense of resilience in the company. This has allowed him to build trusting relationships with his employees. Musk drives his employees to do better and sets clearly defined objectives for each product and or department at Tesla. Setting clear objectives makes it easy for employees to follow carefully developed plans and defines a benchmark by which productivity can be measured. Musk takes an active role in forming the teams, systems, and organizational processes to ensure that the company reaches their goals and objectives. This is an essential requirement for leaders, according to our text. Leaders are responsible for being the architects of the organization, which means defining what the company stands for, pushing it to discover what it is really good at, and building mechanisms of the organizations around those two things. Communication at Tesla is especially important to Musk. Although the company has a function based hierarchy, he believes that everyone should be talking to everyone. If there is an issue at the company, he encourages his employees to communicate with one another despite the levels of hierarchy until the problem is solved. Musk is a super boss. He is always looking for ways to get to know his employees better, encourages his employees' continual growth, and maintains a connection with those people. According to our text, the best leaders relentlessly look to expand the human and social capital around them. Musk knows that one of his biggest assets is the people working for him and with him. And this realization has made Tesla extremely successful and Musk an extremely successful leader. Thank you.